Guys, you heard that? There's something out here. I'm gonna check it out. Hey. Who is there? Please tell me I'm not alone out here. It's someone. Who is that? Wait, it's moving.
Mango.
What? Who eats mango in the middle of the night?
Sleepy! Y-O-U were the ghost? Seriously.
Yeah, just mango.
Well guys, mystery solved. The night ghost of the jungle was just Sleepy and his mango addiction.
Good night.
Yeah, that's jungle humor for you.